Alright, so we got rice box pulled out with the freaking deer magnet. Got some new seals for this guy and a new pilot bearing for this one. Oh, here's my baby. Say hello. You gonna say hello?
No.
Why? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So you guys can see in here, you can actually really tell that I was really leaking pretty bad. So I gotta get rid of all of this stuff. Everything's gotta be good for ice cream cruise. So we're gonna get hammering down on this engine bay and clean it up so we can get things prepared for when my new clutch gets here. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Hopefully the clutch gets here midweek and then I'll have the car back together next weekend. But I'm gonna really hammer down and get this thing clean because I need things to go right. Everything needs to be done the right way. I have to lift that thing up on the stand or on the hoist and pull the pan off. I don't have a stand right now because Austin's engine is on it, so I'm gonna re-gasket seal everything on the bottom there so it seals up everything. Both of my seals for the front main and the rear, they're both new, so I shouldn't have any problems there, but the gasket maker on the seal around the pan, it is bad, so we're gonna have to fix that or else I'm gonna continue to leak. Okay, it's really hot outside, and I did not want my phone sitting in the sun, so I had to put it in the garage to cool down. You guys saw before, now it's pretty clean, except for right there, and it's freaking just crappy to get into. My master cylinder is leaking, so it's just taking the paint off my strut tower, so that's kind of annoying. It's all nice and clean. I need to go through the power steering and figure out where it's leaking, because it is leaking somewhere, and it might be leaking off the gravity feed that goes to the pump, but otherwise I think we're pretty good. There's gonna be a short video. Basically it's just gonna be just a cleaning video, getting the bay prepared, and it's basically prepared. I'll do a little bit of touch-ups here and there. My next video I'm gonna be messing with this and getting everything prepared on that, and then cleaning the transmission back up again. We should be getting things moving pretty quick. I'll be pulling the front of this off again and taking the oil pump off and going through it again. You guys can see I just put this on. I don't think I made a video on it, but I literally just put this on, and yeah, it's just disgusting. So this, I'm not sure where the leak is coming from, but this actually might be from the power steering. If it's not, then it's coming from somewhere else, which really sucks. So I'm gonna have to go through everything and fix all the leaks. I know it's not that interesting this time, but still hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and being here for this, these filler videos. And as always, catch you guys on the next one. Later.